Hey guys, welcome back. So something I was unable to find any information on the internet, wasn't able to find a video on it, was I was simply looking up S10s and the bumper light replacement. So you guys see down in the bumper here, we got the little turn signal here. I did all the searching for it, couldn't find it. So I figured I might as well make one. And if you have a standard S10, it's not gonna be a big deal. You're not gonna have a bumper cover. But if you have a Syclone, a Sonoma GT, a Cameo, a Typhoon, or any sort of bumper cover, you may have this issue where you can't figure out how to remove and replace this light. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys that today. All right guys, I got a 9/30 seconds right here. And if we look down under here, you guys can see that there's a bolt there and then a bolt on this side. So we got two bolts here, and then underneath, there's our third bolt right under there. So all you do is pop the bulb out, take those three bolts off, this will slide out, pops right back in. The only downside is if you have a lower truck, you're probably gonna have to lift it up to be able to get to that third bolt that's underneath. In my particular situation where I have my fog lights removed, I could actually do it with the truck on the ground by going in through the fog light. Of course, you're not going to want to take your fog lights out just to replace the light above it, when it's harder to actually remove the fog lights than it is to remove the turn signal. All right, you guys take it easy. We'll see you in the next video. All right, guys, hope you found this entertaining, if not useful. Do me a favor, you guys want more information on things to do with your Syclone, your Typhoon, or your Sonoma GT, subscribe to the channel, and I'll try to keep you up to date with everything I got going on here and all the little projects that inevitably will come my way. You guys be as safe as you need to be out there. We'll see you in the next episode. Later, guys.